Good day everybody, today in front of me I have ONEPLUS NORD CE 2 LITE smartphone, and in today's video we are going to show how you can change the screen timeout setting, or should I say set the screen sleep timer to never on this device. So if we'll go to the settings, the display and brightness category, the auto screen off section, which is basically the screen sleep timer, or auto screen off as it is precisely called on this device, the maximum value that we can set for it is 30 minutes. So in order to bypass this limitation, we are going to use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store. At the search bar you want to type in Caffeine just like so. That is precisely the app that we were looking for. Next, let's go ahead and install it. After the app has been downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and open it. And basically, all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set. And that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active, as long as the Caffeine app is running, your screen will not go to sleep, therefore will not automatically turn off, no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.